In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Western Union to your bank account. The process is quick and can be done right inside the Western Union app. So stick with me until the end, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Western Union app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Send Money button. From here, you'll need to choose the country where you're sending the money. If it's already set correctly, just leave it, but if not, tap on it and select the right country from the list. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Once you do that, you'll see different delivery options. Since we're moving the money into a bank account, make sure to select Bank Account instead of Cash Pickup. Now, you'll be shown the fees and estimated delivery time. Most transfers arrive within 1 business day, but depending on your payment method, it could be faster. If everything looks good, tap Next. Now, choose the recipient. If you've sent to them before, you can just select their name from your contacts. If this is a new person, you'll need to enter their details, including their full name exactly as it appears on their bank account, their address, phone number, and of course, their bank account information. This includes the account type, account number, and routing number. Double-check this carefully, because if anything is off, the bank could reject the transfer. Once the recipient is set up, choose how you want to pay for the transfer. You can use a debit card, credit card, or sometimes even a bank transfer, depending on your location. Select your payment method, then review your order details one last time. If everything looks correct, tap Send. In just a moment, you'll get a confirmation screen and an email letting you know the transfer is in progress. The recipient should see the money in their bank account usually by the next business day, but in some cases, it may be quicker. And that's all there is to it. That's how you transfer money from Western Union to a bank account quickly and easily. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.